Dito na ako guys. Bilisan na ako ng bread. Hindi ko naman maubos. Ayan. Ang laki naman ito. Gusto ko sana yan kaso ang laki. So, I'll have this one. This one. Sandwich. Okay. So, I got that in there. And then, I need this one. Sweet and sour. My bread ako mamaya guys. And then this one. Pretzels. Oh, that one. No, not having that. Wala na masyadong bread guys. And then oh, I need, oh my god, ano ba yung wala ko? Ito. Garlic ata. I like garlic. Kwenta ko yung ano ko guys kasi naiwan ko yung hindi naiwan na-chuti pala yung debit card ko kaya medyo ano-anong tayo kwenta-kwenta tayo magkano na so no to sweets or coffee. Let's go for coffee. Yung decaf tayo guys. Colombian, Soprano, Indian, cappuccino and sweetened. Oh, I have this one, salted caramel. Hindi ko pa natikman. Meron ako dyan, bumili ako niyan before. Oh. Okay, I need some eggs just in case. Ano ako? Okay, that's it. And then milk. Some milk guys. Dito muna tayo. Brown pork. They don't have southern chicken. It's lamb. Lean turkey, no. I'm not keen on lamb guys. Nag-chicken ako ng isang araw. So, hindi ko alam kung bibili ako. So, I don't know. So, hindi na lang kasi may isda ako doon. So, let's check. Because I'm going to make English breakfast, mag-ano ako ng sausage. Richmond, this one. Pork sausage. Ito ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Lincolnshire. How about this one? Lincolnshire. Ito na lang. Kung anong sausage. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako pag-sausage. So, let's just check. So, ito na lang. Okay, I'll have the Richmond. Okay, and then bacon. And then, I'll have that. na ako niyan. Hindi naman siguro. So, ano pa ba? I got already there, so bread, meron na ako. And then, I got already egg, sausages, mushrooms, what else? Wala na ata eh. Yun lang ata eh. Oh, we got Wagyu. Wagyu hot dog. Wagyu hot dogs. How much is that? So, nilagay na price. Ice coffee. Okay. Oh, they got turkey already. Duck, whole goose. Then the British small turkey. Yeah. So they got already. And this is for Christmas, guys. Most of them. Oh, they got scallops, king prawn. Look at the king prawn. It's really expensive. Ang dumi ng sapatos ko. Maulan kasi. Mamaya na siguro ako magbili for Christmas. Ayan. Rope. Then, I'm gonna get my milk. Yung maliit lang na milk, guys, kasi dali, meron kumuha. Lactose free. I think I go for lactose free. Di na lang. Oh, di. Naano ako, guys, natamaan ako ng naano nila yung milk. Yung milk na nabitawan niya. Kaya ayun na I'll just get one here.
Yeah, go on.
Thank you. Oh, good. This one. Ayan. Do I need to buy all my... Yeah, it's alright. Yeah. No, it's alright. You can go first. Yeah. Oh, we got a free Wi-Fi. This is the new normal, guys. 1 meter or 2 meters. So. Okay, malapit na ako, guys. So, mag-move na ako doon kasi mag-move na din siya. So, ako na ang next. Ayan. Ayan mga pinamili ko, guys. Konti lang naman. I don't think so. It will cost 20 pounds, that one. So, yun lang. Let's just wait. Lagay ko muna kayo sa bulsa, guys. Ang busy, guys. Akala ko na 10 something lang yung nabayaran ko. So, I mean, 10 pounds. So, yung cash ko is 20 pounds. Akala ko, sabi ko, hindi naman siguro aabot yun ng 20. Sabi ko, natakot din kaya ako kasi yun lang ang cash ko. Kasi nga, naano yung card ko. Next week pa siguro yung darating. Antayin ko lang yung email nila. Sabi ko, lang sa bahay. Ang basa pa ng buhok ko. And then, it's really very bad weather. It's gloomy, it's raining, and although hindi naman masyado malamig kasi hindi siya windy, so okay na din. So, I'm gonna show you guys kung ano yung napamili ko for worth 10 pounds. Bakit? Kasi yun lang ang ano ko guys, 20 pounds lang kasi yung pera ko na cash. Kasi hindi pa ako makapaggamit ng card kasi na-chugi nga yung card ko. At saka hindi ako gumagamit din ng credit card just in case of sa grocery lang or what. Gumagamit lang ako sa online if ever mag-order ako. Pero kung sa grocery, I haven't tried so far. Pero kung magkaanuhan na talaga, hindi pa dumating yung card ko next week, I'll use my credit card. Okay, so ginawa ko na ito yung bread na binili ko na lang. Kasi ayoko ng sliced bread pareho sa atin or kahit anong sliced bread. Ito yung binili ko, flat one, cleans, kasi hindi naman ako masyado matinapay. Ano lang ako, weather lang. And then, because I'm planning to have, full British English. Oh, ang dami. Full British English talaga. No, full English breakfast. Kasi na-miss ko talaga. Kasi before, kung magpunta kami sa work, galing kami work during sa morning, mostly, dadaan kami sa sa Witherspoon, doon kami mag-breakfast. Kaya, na-miss ko talaga yung na-miss ko talaga yung full English breakfast nila. So, I bought pork sausages. So, hindi ko alam, 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10. 10 ata sa loob, something like 199 pounds this one. And then, of course, milk. Hindi ako paki-milk supposed to be kasi may lactose intolerance ako. Dapat yung, yung binili ko, yung oats or yung soya. Kaso, just in case lang gamitin ko kung may lututuin ako or magbe-bake ako, kaya bumili na ako niyan para ayoko nang lumabas talaga kasi napakasama ng weather. And then mushrooms, I got the close cup mushrooms, ito yung pinili ko. And then of course naubusan ako ng garlic granules. I love garlic, guys. And then ito, and this is eggs. 15 eggs. I think this is like, oh my god, 1 pound lang ata to. 1 pound lang ata to yung egg na to, or 19. Basta hindi to mahal kasi na naman siya. Small ata siya. Small yung size niya. 15 pieces. And then, I got also bacon. Bacon is something like 1 something pounds. I don't remember.
I think $1.99 as well. It's 10. I got the back bacon and it's unsmoked. I got that one. And then I got my bell pepper just in case kung I like bell pepper. Parang yung amoy niya, gusto ko yung amoy niya lalo na pag gusto ko siya sa sa sweet and sour. Okay, and then I got ginger kasi baka mag sweet and sour ako kasi may fish ako doon. And then I got long grain white rice. Hindi mawawala ang rice. And then I got onions. Yan. Yun ang nabibili ko worth 10 pounds and 15p. So, lagay na lang natin 10 pounds siya. So, something like 600, mga 620, ganun, or 630, depende sa rate. So, mga ganun, lagay na natin 620. I can't wait to have my full English breakfast. Hindi siya naman masyadong full kasi supposed to be, sa full English breakfast mo, may hash brown ka, and then may black pudding ka din. Pero I don't like black pudding. Something like, ang black pudding kasi nila dito parang parang dugo dugo ng baboy na pinatigas. Hindi ko alam kung anong nilagay nila doon, pero ewan ko, dugo ata yan ng baboy, hindi ko na itanong. Pero parang dugo siya ng baboy na pinatigas na may nilagay sila doon. So that's their black pudding. I don't like to eat hash brown as well kasi ewan ko, parang ayaw ko kaya hindi ako bumili. So yun lang. So hindi siya masyadong complete, pero at least may ako bukas. I'm gonna have like full English breakfast later. So it's time check. It's something like, what time is it now? 11 o'clock already in the morning here in England. So I'll see you guys and let's check my full English breakfast later or tomorrow. I'll see you and thank you for those who subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. And those who watch my videos as well, thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next vlog, daily vlog. Happy Halloween!